Yes, hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our Criminology educational videos. Yes po, nandito po kayo. Sa ating mga future criminologists dyan, kaway-kaway naman po. At the same time, sa ating pong mga criminology student na nandyan, kaway-kaway din po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbisita sa aking criminology educational videos at naway may matutunan po kayo sa mga videos ko. Maraming salamat po.
We'll focus first in our Republic Act 6975, or known as the Department of Local Government, which is the former name, or the present name is the Department of Interior and Local Government, right? This is known as the Department DILG Act of 1990. So yan po yung Republic Act 6975 po natin. Under Republic Act 6975, organization of the DILG, ano po bang meron sa Republic Act 6975? The department shall consist of the department proper. So may department proper po siya. Together with the existing bureaus. May mga existing bureau po yung Department of Interior and Local Government natin. The first bureau po na tinatalaga natin is, shall we say, other bureaus and other offices. First po is Department of Local Government, National Police Commission, or shall we say the NAPOLCOM po. So, alam po natin na pamilya po talaga sa atin ang NAPOLCOM, right? Followed by the NAPOLCOM is the Philippine Public Safety College, or the PPSC, right? So, the Philippine Public Safety College. Alam po naman talaga natin that in dealing with board exam questions, when we say the primary educational institution in the country which focuses in the law enforcement area or sector is the Philippine Public Safety College. Ito po yung Philippine National Police. Kasi yung Philippine National Police o yung PNPA is just one branch lang po siya ng Philippine Public Safety College. Okay. And the following tri-bureaus. Tri-bureau po yung sabi na tinatawag sa kanila kasi tatlo sila. The first bureau is the Philippine National Police or the PNP. Pinaka-common po yan sa atin. Followed is the Bureau of Fire Protection or the BFP. And the third is the Bureau of Jail Management and Criminology. Ito po yung pang-third po na tri-bureaus under the Department of Interior and Local Government. And as far as we know, these tri-bureaus is under the control of the department or the DILG, right? But what is inside the department proper? Inside of the department proper, it shall consist of the existing staff services as provided for under Executive Order number 262. Under po sa 262, ito po yung mga services nila. Or shall we say offices? First is the office of the secretary, because upon, or as we all know, the DILG secretary is headed by a secretary. I mean, the DILG office or the DILG department, the Department of Interior and Local Government, is headed by a secretary. And the secretary shall have its own office. And this office shall consist of the secretary and its immediate staff. May mga staff po yung secretary natin, right? Followed with here is the office of the undersecretaries and assistant secretary. So, iba po si undersecretary, iba din po si assistant secretary. The secretary shall be assisted by two undersecretary. May dalawang undersecretary po tayo. First is for local government. So, itong undersecretary po ito, yung focus is the local government only. The second undersecretary po natin will focus on the peace and order. And at least one of whom should belong to the Career Executive Service. So, may Career Executive Service po yung isa sa dalawang undersecretary natin. And it shall also have 3 Career Assistant Secretaries. May tatlo po tayong Assistant Secretary. So, 5 po sila dyan. 2 Undersecretary, 3 Assistant Secretaries. Their main purpose or help po talaga is to help the secretary in dealing with their different jobs and functions, right? So, the head of the department hereby referred as the secretary. Ito po yung sabi ko kanina, right? Shall also be the ex officio chairman of the National Police Commission. So, when we say ex officio chairman, Siya po yung tinatawag natin na secretary. At the same time, siya din po yung executive chairman ng NAPOLCOM. Right? And shall be appointed by the president by himself. Wala pong ibang tao ang may authorize po na mag-appoint ng secretary, kundi ang president po ng Republika ng Pilipinas mismo. The confirmation of the commission of appointment is also necessary, provided that the president, before he appoints someone to be the secretary of the department, no retire, so wala pong retire, or resign military officer or police official may be appointed as secretary, provided that within 1 year from the date of his retirement or resignation. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, if si Juan de la Cruz is isa pong police official or police general, and then nag-retire po siya, hindi po siya pwedeng ma-appoint as department secretary or the DILG secretary if hindi po nag-lapse ng 1 year or more than 1 year po yung resignment niya or resignation niya. Kasi yung sinasabing lang retirement, ito po yung nag-retire ka na po sa serbisyo. Hindi say resignment, hindi ka pa due for retirement, you resign with a certain service. Right? And general powers, terms of office, and compensation of the secretary. Ano po ba talaga ang power ng isang DILG secretary? The authority and responsibility for the exercise of the department power and function shall be vested to the secretary by itself, who shall hold the office at the pleasure of the president. When we say pleasure of the president po, yung presidente po ang nagtatakda kung kailan siya pwedeng manungkulan as DILG secretary. And shall receive compensation allowances and other emoluments which the head of the department are entitled of. So, may mga allowances po siya, kagaya ng other secretaries po ng ating cabinet member ng Office of the President. Specific power and function of the secretary, the DILG secretary po, prepare. Head shall have the powers and functions, prepare and submit periodic reports, including a quarterly anti-crime operation report and such other report as the President and Congress may require. Sa po yan. Pangalawa po, act as chairman and presiding officer of the National Police Commission. Siya din po yung chairman. Delegate authority to exercise any substantive or administrative functions to the member of the National Police Commission and other officers of the rank within the department. So, siya din po yun, right? Administrative functions sa mga member po ng NAPOLCOM at the same time po sa member din po ng DILG dan sa mga member po ng DILG ang department kung saan po siya namumuno. Right? Follow. The DILG, or shall we say the DILG, the Department of Interior and Local Government, shall also establish, operate, maintain a regional office. So, may regional office po siya in each administrative region po. If we have 17, 15 administrative region, so may regional office po dapat talaga ang DILG. And at the same time, its regional office shall also be headed by a regional director. So, may regional director po. Hindi po pwedeng walang regional director dyan. Right? This regional director shall be assisted by 2 assistant regional director. One is for jail and criminology, and the other one is for park protection, right? In addition to the present assistant regional director of the Department of the Local Government. So, yung dalawa po niyang assistant regional director, yung isa po, focus niya is jail management. Yung isa po, focus niya is the park protection, right? So,
and I hope po may na-impart ako na additional knowledge sa inyo. And we see each other. Good day and goodbye.